This 2013 Forest River Forester 3051S is a Class C RV. It is located in Alvarado, Texas, 76009 and is offered for sale by Motorhome Specialist. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length. This 2013 Forest River Forester 3051S is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.